Any guesses? Yes, you're right. You're gonna get the iPhone 12 Pro Max, AirPods Pro, and Apple Watch. Yes, you heard it right. 3 things. iPhone 12 Pro Max, AirPods Pro, and Apple Watch. Let's go! Go! Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज हम योदोबाशी आए हैं और हमने इधर गाड़ी पार्क कर दिया और हम iPhone 12 Pro Max लेने के लिए आए हैं.
So guys, we have already parked our car here and you can see parking charges are too high in Japan. So this one is quite cheap. For 20 minutes 200 yen you need to pay, and for 8 hours it is only 1000 yen. So this is quite cheap in Japan. Otherwise normally you have to pay 300 yen for 30 minutes or 1 hour, something like that. So now this is too hot today, so we are going to get some drinks from this vending machine. So these vending machines are available everywhere in Japan. So we will get some lemonade and after that we'll go to Yodobashi and we'll get our iPhone Max Pro.
So guys,
Bye.
now I'm drinking lemonade and it's very yummy.
And you got some energy or not?
I did.
So guys, we are moving to Yodobashi now. You can see here car parkings everywhere. This is the park. You can relax.
Right, left and right.
Now, so guys, this is the underground market in Yokohama, and you can see many shops. You can see 3 coins also. This is Starbucks. Are you feeling cool?
Yes, finally.
Finally?
Yeah,
Happy now?
yeah, happy. Guys, now we are finally reaching Yodobashi camera. It's a very famous attraction. You can buy many items like refrigerator, washing machine, microwave, AC, mobile, and many more electronic items. And you can see today it is too much crowded.
Today we are going to take iPhone 12 Pro Max 256 GB, and the color we will be taking is Pacific Blue. And here you can see all the iPhones they have put on the display. So this is iPhone 12, and so iPhone 12, if you see the price in Japan, so 64 GB it is around 94,380 yen. 128 GB is 99,880 yen, and 256 GB is 111,980 yen. Right now I'm going to show all iPhones. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, and you can see the price here also. 256 GB is 1,55,050 yen. This one is Pacific Blue color, and this is what we are going to take today. You can see this is looking very awesome phone. And the next one is iPhone 12 Pro. Here you can see the price also. This is for iPhone 12 Pro and this is for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, and this one is iPhone 12 Pro again. So this color is, I don't know what color is this. This is again grey color. This one is iPhone 12. You can see the price for iPhone 12. And you've got different colors in iPhone 12 here. So this is also iPhone 12. This one is iPhone 12 mini. So the screen size, this one is small compared to iPhone 12 and 12 Pro Max. And this one is iPhone 12 SE. iPhone 12 SE's price is 55,000 for 64 gigabyte and 61,000 for 128 gigabyte and around 75,000 for 256 gigabyte.
Guys, so now we are finally getting the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The color is pastel blue. It is 256 GB, and now we are making the contract. His name is Ram Uncle.
So he's Ram Uncle and he's now making the contract. Once he finish, then we will get our iPhone 12 Pro Max. Oh, I'm super excited, Ayansh. Are you? Are you?
Yes.
Okay, let's wait for some time and then we'll be getting our iPhone.
12 Pro Max.
Stay tuned. Bye bye.
So guys, now we're writing a name in Japanese for the mobile contract, and I am doing it.
So guys, after 3 hours, now finally contract is over and my wife, she is signing the contract.
Okay. Hello.
So guys, this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and we have finally got it, and I'm gonna open it.
Wow.
This is
Yo, Ayansh Mama and Ayansh is happy.
Yes, now full.
This is so.
Can you take out your mask? Are you feeling happy?
Don't put your finger.
Okay.
Very good, very nice. So now it is starting. Yo man. Hello iPhone. It was written konnichiwa in Japanese. Konnichiwa means hello. So guys, now setting time.
Oh, look, it's packaged. Look how big.
Ayansh,
Yeah?
what are you planning to do now? Are you planning to go and play Roblox in this phone? Let's see what we have got in the box. What is inside the iPhone 12? Okay. So this is the data cable. We have got data cable. What else? Nothing else.
Let's see. No, something is down.
So see how Apple is looting us.
There must be something down.
Only data cable, no charger also. The phone price is too high and still we are buying it. Guys, Apple is too costly.
Guys, this is the payment time.
And how much you need to pay, you know, Aish? You have to pay 1,42,000 yen for the iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Oh.
This is too much. Okay guys, anyway, now we have taken, so we have to pay. So guys, you can see the price. You have to pay 1,41,682 yen. Oh my god. Here.
Guys, now we're going to get more Apple gadgets. Can you guess them? Yes, you're right. Apple bought an AirPods.
AirPod Pro, Aish, AirPod Pro. Guys, now we are going to take Apple Watch. Okay, and you can see here the information about Apple Watch. So now this is Apple Watch Series 6 and Apple Watch SE. I am going to take Apple Watch SE series and I'm going to take the GPS one. So you can see for 44mm Apple Watch SE series, the cost is 36,080 yen. And I'm going to take the space gray color with the sports pants. Also, we are going to take what? We are going to take AirPods Pro. So you can see this is a normal AirPod and this is AirPod Pro. And the cost of AirPod Pro is 30,580 yen. And for 100 yen, the conversion is 75 rupees. So you can understand how costly it is. But anyway, now we are going to take this. Ayash, what are you doing, man? Are you signing?
No. Look here.
Okay. This area you can see all Apple products. Apple MacBook, AirPods, speakers, watches, phones. So guys, now we are going to take AirPods Pro and Apple Watch. We are going to the counter.
SE の44のスペ
はい
ースグレーですね。
はい
エアポッツプロ。
はいはい。Now we're in the queue. はいはい、ありがとうございます。
How about look at his mouse?
Oh my god, this is awesome, Ayash.
Yeah, wait, how did...
This is for gamers, right? Chale, Ayash? Let's go. It's time to go, man.
Oh, there was cookies. There must be others.
Ayash, your iPhone, your AirPods, and your Apple Watch.
And Look at this. See this color also that we do.
Oh my God! See the color.
And we open it again. And look at this mouth. And it goes really fast.
Okay, okay, let's go, Ash. We are too late. Okay, go. So guys, now we are going back after getting the iPhone, AirPods and Apple Watch, and it took us around more than 4 hours. Now we are too much tired, too much hungry. Let's see what we are going to get. And first we'll take our car from the parking and we'll go to home, and after that Ayansh Mama will make something tasty for us. I hope she will make.